Well, I worked in accounting department all day. I filed 2 receipts and worked on a spreadsheet, and then I thought I'd take a break. So I ordered a Woody Allen movie, and I think I ordered the wrong one because he was, or someone was, a sperm. He was a sperm, and I couldn't understand really what he was saying, but it was like he was a soldier, except he was a sperm at the same time, and he was trying to go over the top out of the trenches, and he was talking about, well, we should see if his eyes are open and stuff like that, and got me thinking, well, maybe I should revisit my grade 12 biology book, is what it made me think. Anyway, so I wrote this song too because I couldn't watch the rest of that movie because, well, I don't know. Anyway, I thought it couldn't be the right movie. Anyway, so here we go. The bluebird sings a seductive song with the sparkle in her eye. She's knocking on the window with a melody and a soulful cry. In the early morning, she arrives ready to tease. I got that wrong. And to trap me in her global web, complaining I should buy some Febreze. Some Febreze. Oh, there we go. So anyway, I was watching that Woody Allen movie, and I was thinking, well, I don't know. Maybe it would have been better if Owen Wilson starred in that one. I don't know exactly. But, okay, next. Summer in a northern city. The bluebird seems to love the sun. Bathing by the window, teasing me when she drinks her rum. Your views on politics and oil really turn an Albertan on. The bluebird sings a seductive song with a sparkle in her eye. She's knocking on the window with a melody and a soulful cry. Here's probably where Woody Allen thinks, well, at least I can stay in tune and when I'm singing my songs. Probably Owen Wilson too. Anyway, later at night, with the bluebirds singing in the trees, I feel an energy transferring from you to me. Let's light a bonfire, burn the past, and light up the night with our dreams. We can do anything as a team. My bluebird sings a seductive song with a sparkle in her eye. She's knocking on the window with a melody and a soulful cry. And to my bluebird I'd like to say, can you hear my echo through the window today? Danny DeVito mentioned how energy can transfer this way. Danny DeVito mentioned how energy can transfer this way. I'll go back to accounting. I'll be late tonight. Okay.